to the landing page of the ad. So there's context. When you actually click on compare rates, you go to a page that really compares rates. Pretty basic stuff. But overall, our goal was to double their conversion rates by not sending traffic to this individual homepage. So during our hypothesis, we simply did some basic wireframes to set up how it's going to look without spending too much time in HTML or design. And the funnel's pretty basic. Compare rates, get them to a lead form, and get them to checkout. Complete the transaction. So when they clicked on this new ad, instead of going to the home page, now they went to this interactive experience to be able to kind of compare the rates. And because they had multiple different services, refinance, mortgage, and so forth, we wanted to find a way to kind of get as much of that information above the fold while they compared multiple different offers on multiple different terms of loans. So as we started to analyze this page, we ran heat maps to figure out what were the most popular offerings, where people are clicking, and how we can start to improve upon these pages using heat maps. Obviously, the more red it is, that's where more people are actually clicking. So people are trying to learn more about their Zillow rating and those individual fixed loans. Now they arrive at a personalized quote based on the information that from those rate comparison pages. And on this page, if people were not ready to check out and they moved their mouse to the back button, we pop up in a survey and ask them, what was this page missing? What were they actually interested in? And it allows us to continuously optimize and improve what this page is missing to help them complete that application. Then when they actually go to the loan page, we set up recordings to figure out exactly the forms that people were filling out to see exactly what was going on. That way you can find, is there are problems with the error checking? Is the user experience and the hierarchy composition working well for the user experience to get them to check out quickly? And in this case, people were interested in the Better Business Bureau links. And on the next step, as we got people to the thank you page, simply just added a survey. And that was not the right question we asked, but it's just a mock-up of it. But it allowed us to kind of figure out why people were converting and why they weren't. And really, what was the next step that they wanted people to take? Do they want a phone call? Do they want an email? After running this for a few months, we were able to change the traffic patterns to send all of their traffic to their landing page versus their home page. And just that simple switch of getting more people to this now isolated funnel experience, it increased their conversion 5 times. So as you think about your own website and how you can change your experience to what the customer wants and not what your business goals are, you'll start to know more about your customer. You'll start to be able to predict what they want and not what necessarily your stakeholders want in the business, and use data and insight for actionable marketing results. So in summary,